Recently in news, the Indian Army has procured the drone Nagastra 1, developed by Economic Explosives Limited. What is the main purpose for it? The answer is option C, precision strikes. Designed to carry out precision strikes on enemy training camps, launch pads without putting the lives of soldiers at risk. The Reserve Bank of India has changed the repo rate. What is the new rate as of June 2024? The answer is option C, 5.75%. Where will the Ukraine Peace Summit 2024 be held? The answer is option B, Switzerland. In which city will the 2025 edition of MotoGP Bharat be organized? The answer is option A, Noida. Which country has announced plans to send a manned mission to Mars by 2030? The answer is option C, Russia. India and France have collaborated which mission for collecting climate data? The answer is option C, Trishna. Mount Kankan volcano, located in which country, recently erupted? The answer is option A, Philippines. With which country has the Indian Navy started the joint maritime exercise, JIMEX 24? The answer is option A, Japan. Which space agency has collaborated with the Indian Institute of Technology Madras IITM to study multi-drug resistant bacteria on the ISS? The answer is option C, NASA. The United Nations has declared 2025 as the International Year of what? The answer is option B, quantum science and technology. Who became the first Indian male boxer to qualify for the 2024 Paris Olympic Games? The answer is option A, Amit Pankal. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Army Staff of India, taking over on June 30th, 2024? The answer is option C, Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi. What was the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2024? The answer is option C, protecting children from tobacco industry interference. Which company launched the first satellites for the new US spy constellation? The answer is option A, SpaceX. A new AI model has been introduced that can predict what? The answer is option B, earthquakes. NCLT approved the merge of Air India and the answer is option A, Vistara. Who won the French Open women's singles title in 2024? The answer is option B, Igia Swiatek. Which Indian state recently declared a state holiday to celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji? The answer is option C, Haryana. Which country recently announced a plan to build a new space station in collaboration with Russia? The answer is option A, China. What is India's rank in the Environmental Performance Index 2024? The answer is option C, 176th rank.